Henriette Lacks, born in 1920 and passing away in 1951, was a Black American woman whose cancer cells became one of the most important tools in medical research, without her or her family's knowledge or consent. She was born on August 1, 1920 in Roanoke, Virginia, and died on October 4, 1951 in Baltimore, Maryland, at the age of 31. Shortly after giving birth to her fifth child, she went to the Johns Hopkins Hospital in Baltimore, Maryland, one of the only hospitals at the time that treated Black patients, to have a painful knot in her abdomen examined. When Henriette was treated for cervical cancer at Johns Hopkins Hospital in 1951, doctors took small tissue samples from both her tumor and her healthy cervical tissue for research, but this was done without her consent. The samples were given to Dr. George Otto Gee, a cell biologist at Johns Hopkins who had long been searching for human cells that could survive outside the body. When Dr. Gee's team placed Henriette's cancer cells in culture, they noticed something extraordinary. Her cells didn't die after a few divisions like most cells in culture. Instead, they kept growing indefinitely. These cells were named HeLa, using the first two letters of Henriette Lacks. HeLa cells became the first immortal human cell line and have since been used to develop the polio vaccine, advanced cancer and AIDS research, test the effects of radiation and toxic substances, and study gene mapping, cloning, and in vitro fertilization. To be clear, Henriette was never told that her cells were taken or that they would be used for research, something that would be considered unethical today. Billions of Henriette Lacks's, or HeLa, cells are still used in medical and scientific research all over the world. Her story was largely ignored for decades. While her cells were used worldwide for groundbreaking research, today she is finally recognized. Henriette Lacks's legacy is unmatched. From a single biopsy, her cells revolutionized medicine, saving countless lives and advancing scientific knowledge in ways no one else has. Her contribution to science continues to grow, and billions of HeLa cells remain a living testament to her extraordinary impact.